Hi friends, hey, welcome back to the Expeditionary Johnny channel. Hey, if you're new to my channel, you'll see right here that the theme of my channel is to try to remove obstacles to getting outdoors. Typically, that could be things like time, ideas, or maybe equipment. Today, we're mostly talking about time. For today's thing when it comes to time is, sometimes we got to do things today so we can have time to do the things we want to do later. So right now in my mind, I'm trying to envision going hiking and getting outdoors more this fall. But in the meantime, I've got a lot of chores to do here on the property. So, hey, let's get about trimming up this tree here. Let's get the branches off so I can get a wood chipper to use that for other things, and then do some yard work and stuff. So, hey, let's grab some chainsaws and get at it. All right, let's start with something I've been meaning to get to for quite a while. See that long branch right there? Yeah, let's go ahead and cut that one down first. All right, got the first round of trimming done with the chainsaw and a stick here. And if you can't tell, it's really hot here. It's about 95 degrees right now. Real feel over 100. And which reminded me, it's time to go ahead and work on my second task here. Hey, you might realize, I don't know if you know, but we've got a couple horses and we built a lean-to across the way, but there's no electricity, and it's way too much to ask for wiring to run out there. So I'm going to be using solar. And what I have right here is, I have my EcoFlow DELTA 3 here. The reason I chose the EcoFlow DELTA 3 is because it has enough of a battery power and can pull enough electricity through solar power that I can pretty much run 2 fans throughout the day to keep the horses cool, and also provides them an additional lighting in the tack room. So let me go ahead and just hook this up and I'll show you how it works real quick like. Pretty straightforward, just hit the power on. Turn on our AC as an alternating current. Plug in our first fan down here. Plug in our second. You can see we're drawing 139 watts right now. Let's plug in the solar and let's show you how it's different. As you can see, it's drawing in 275 and only 139 is going out. All right, now that we took care of some of the higher branches and the little stuff, time to move on to the big boy here. So got out my little Cobalt, a electric chainsaw here, and we'll see how long she lasts on this project here. Well, that went pretty fast. I'm down to 1 bar on the battery, so I'll go ahead and put the battery back in to be recharged, and time to drag off some branches to our branch pile. Well, you can see that is the bulk of it. I'm going to get hydrated a little bit more, and I'll grab the chainsaw and finish that up, and then guess what? Then I can cut the grass. All right, so I took a quick break to cool off, bit of change of a wardrobe, and I've come out and I finished cleaning up everything. Yay! Although, so now I'm wondering why I bothered changing, because I'm completely soaked again. But now I finally get to move on to my last chore of the day. That's cutting the grass. Well, I guess this brings us to the end of another video, so I guess I'm going to say, hey, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate that, and I'm hoping maybe you got a little something out of today's video. Again, today's focus is all about time, doing those little things that we have to today so that we can do the things we want to tomorrow. With that being said, y'all take care and have a good week.